Hi guys. Okay, this is my contribution to videos about bearings. I think I have the better, kind of better way to remove the bearing, to disassemble it, and I think I have some idea about how to get those balls out. I'm not sure, but we'll try. This is first time I'm doing this. Okay, you will see maybe better when I take it apart. You will see this ring have here like a pointed spot, and here, so I think it's not, here is not pointed. You will see when I take it apart. So I think it's not a good idea, not best idea to go under this part. It's easier to just hit this pointed thing. I'm trying to see if it's visible on camera. Okay, just to do that. Okay, I'll try with my broken, but I think it will be great. I hope you can see this. Yep, I think this is good. Okay, you can see this is pointed, so it's like sticks here, and you just take it for this little. Okay, I don't want this video to be long. Okay, I'm out of camera. Okay, it's hard to. Okay, we have that one done. Here, this is the pointed part of that ring, so just go under this and just, I hope this will, I think that pointed part is made for easier disassembling of it. Okay, I hope it will be visible. Okay, and I think we're done there. Okay, this is the old bearing. I don't know how good it is. Okay, I think, yep, you'll see on one end it has some kind of ring. That's spider, the spider he was talking about, the guy from the video. I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name. But on this side you will see balls, and I think, I'm not sure, this will be first time I'm trying this. If you just push these things out, you should be able to get the spider out and to have only the balls in. We'll try that. Maybe it's too dirty and everything. I don't see what am I doing here. Will this work? I don't know. We'll try. Oh, it will work. Okay, great. It will probably work. Okay, great. Now you can see we have it like spider is out, and it should go something like this. If you go with all the balls in the one side of the bearing, I hope you will see this on the only one side. Okay, got it. Okay, yay! This is the balls from the bearing. Okay, great. It's probably not easier to assemble it again, but I think just do the opposite thing we just done here. Okay, hope you I obviously have problems to talk and those things. But I hope you understand everything. Okay, that's it. I will try to assemble it and to make a video about it. Bye bye.